Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can make Siri stop announcing notifications for certain apps on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on Siri. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on Announce Notifications. Now make sure you turn on Announce Notifications on speaker and then tap on Announce Notifications. Once you are in here, go down to the Announce Notifications form and select which app that you want to turn off notifications announcement. So for example, we've got calendar here. It is turned on at the moment. You can go in here and choose announce notifications to off. So set it to off. And Siri will not announce notifications coming from the calendar app. So go down the list here and choose which app you want to turn on or turn off announce notifications. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.